Hello guys, how you all are doing? Welcome to another car cleaning video. So I have the same car again, my friend's car, Toyota Aurion 2007 red color. As I said, this car needs to be done a lot of cleaning and detailing, so here we are back again. So I thought, like, instead of doing the detailing in the garage and stuff like that, I'll just take it to the car wash and show you guys to how to clean or detail your car inside out in a normal car wash. How to do it, so I'll show you step by step everything. So this process involves mainly 3 steps. One is your vacuuming, then we're gonna wash the outer body, and then we're gonna do the interior cleaning.
Okay, let's walk around and have a look at this car, how dirty it is. The outside doesn't look that dirty, the wheels and all, everything looks decently cleaned. It's not that dirty. A little bit of wash can remove all the gunks. The main problem is with the inside. The seats are really dirty, lot of stains on the seat. It's gonna take a lot of effort to clean this, and we're gonna give our best and hope for a good result. Now the first step here, guys, is the vacuuming. So vacuuming, we are spending around $4, which gonna give us 4 minutes, and 4 minutes is more than enough to vacuum thoroughly. Like, we did really good job on vacuuming. Make sure you move your seat properly and try to get into every corner of the seats, because there's a lot of dust and rubbish in between the seat and the center console. So try to take out as much as dust and rubbish out you can. Move your seats further and back, and vacuum it properly. Try to reach every corner as much as you can.
Vacuuming, and you can see the difference. The floor looks much better and everything is ready to wash and clean now. And for the record, we spent $3 behind vacuuming, so our budget is going good. Up till now it's just $3 we spent, and now the next phase is washing, where we're gonna take our car somewhere up there, wherever we get free, and we start washing, and I'll take you through the process.
Here we go, guys. The car is in the washing booth now, and as you all know that we have to put $3 to start the initial thing, and it gives you 3 minutes. So the 3 minutes are divided like this. So first 1.5 minute you're gonna rinse your car with high pressure. You're gonna try to remove how much ever mud and dirt you can from the outer body of the car, and after that you're gonna rinse with high pressure soap which will help reach the soap at every small corners, like inside the wheels and all. And the final step is using the foam brush to get the foam out of the brush, and you're gonna use your own squeezy or your own tool to wash the car, because the car wash foam brush has, because people use it to wash their wheels as well, so it got a small a soil or small dust in it, which will damage your car which will scratch your car color. So it's better to use that foam brush for your only wheel, and other than that, use your own squeezy or a rag or a piece of cloth to wash the outside body. Always make sure, always remember, guys, try to use different squeezy or or the lower part, even the lower bumper and stuff. Make sure you use, if the car has been in a muddy area, if there's a lot of mud on the car, make sure that you use different rag of clothes, different part of your car, because the color gets, trust me guys, you might think that is not gonna happen, but you get a lot of scratches on your body. I learned this hard way. So just be careful about that. Don't. So in this video you can see my friend is just tapping on the body so that the foam should come out on the car's body, and I'm gonna use my squeezy for this, and for the wheels I'm gonna use the tire, I'm gonna use the brush, and the alloy I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm also going to use the drill machine too for the fast work. But you can use the brush because you don't want to buy a drill machine just for your one car wash. See, I'm using the drill and the brush attachment to clean the inside of the alloy wheels and get all the dark tar out of the wheels. And then after this step guys, straight away high pressure rinse water, rinse it out properly, and these are the final results. The car look beautiful, the car look clean. And after this step we're gonna move on to cleaning the interior of the car.
Alright guys, now that we are done with the outside cleaning, the outside wash properly, so now we are gonna focus on cleaning the inside, the seats, the front seat, the back seats, and the carpet. So let's start. Okay guys, now we're gonna use our pump sprayer. I have mixed it with carpet cleaning product and a good amount of water in it, and I like to spray a generous amount of product on the seats, because when you use your brush or drill machine with attachment, whatever you use, you should see a little bit of foam when you scrub the seats. So that's the main thing we are looking for here. So that's why I always use a generous amount of product, and it will also smell good.
As you can see right now, the amount of the foam coming out of the seat, that's what we want. It's a surety that whatever you are cleaning, it's done properly. So make sure to put a generous amount of product on the seat, and don't worry about the drying. Just keep your car in sun. It will go away. It will dry good. Whenever I clean a car, I start with one seat and I clean it completely front and back, and I extract the product out of it, and then after that only I move on to the next seat. I don't do complete car at one side. I like to do one seat at a time and then move to the next. So now we are using carpet extractor. It is normally available on every car wash. So it takes $2 for each seat. So you have 5 seats in a car, so for $10 you can completely use the extractor to take out everything. You have enough time, guys, to do this. So $2 is more than enough, and it is still in budget to clean this car. So we use $2 for one seat, and we try to extract the complete product out of the seat, and we did successfully. Whenever you're using a carpet extractor, make sure that you put enough pressure on the head of the extractor to extract all the product out of the seats. The seat looks so much better already. So much of the gunk and so much of the dirt came out when we start extracting the product out of the seat. Now that we are done with the front seats, let's have a look at back seats. Back seats are the dirtiest seats in this car. My friend is already spraying the product on the seats, and soon we'll start scrubbing it. And as we were scrubbing, we discovered that we can remove the seat outside and put it outside, because in that way it's much easy to clean it. I don't really have to put a lot of pressure on my back. So we put the seats out and start cleaning it. We try to clean the seats as much as we can. We put all our efforts, but if in the first wash if you don't see the results good, always go for the second wash, because in the second wash it does the magic. So when you wash your seats once again and extract it once again, that time you see the changes really nicely. The back seats took a lot of effort to clean. These seats were really dirty and they haven't been cleaned from I don't know how many years, but the after result was really good, really satisfying. And the main important thing about this car was, guys, it was smelling really bad before doing the interior cleaning, and once we're done with the interior cleaning, the smell was gone. So that was a really good result after this cleaning. So after extracting and cleaning the back seat completely, we set up the seats again back to their original position, and we let the car dry for a day or two, and then we took the after cleaning photos, which I'll be showing